Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Reminder app on iPhone. Now, it's pretty simple. So, if you want to create a new reminder, on the bottom left just click on plus, new reminder. Then you can just type in whatever, but if you click on here, you can basically tell today, tomorrow, next weekend, or a specific date and time. If you click on this one, it can use your locations. Tags, you can add tags to it. So like if you have a work tag, personal tag, other tags and things like that, so that it's easier to find them here, because you will have all tags and you will be able to see all of them here. As you can see, also have this tag. So if I go back to all, you also have, like, you can take a picture, choose a picture from the photo library. If you want to go a bit more advanced, if you click on new reminder, you have these lists. So you can click on lists, and depending on how many lists you created, you can choose a specific list. And basically, to create a list, you just go to the top right on the three dots and click on edit lists. Here you can edit all of your lists. But to add one, go to the bottom right, click on add list. Now you can name it work, give it color, give it an icon. If you have some templates, you can also do that. But basically, once you're done, you want to click on done, and then you will have your lists here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.